Everything. Let's see. We'll go upstairs. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a nap. People are like, we already outside? I'm not. I am sleepy. I'm sleepy. No. This one already ready to go. Come on. Where you taking? They don't even know where you're going. Come on. They look like their own apartment. Look at Kim. 6, 5. All right. Oh, this bathroom is huge. Okay, and everything. Ooh, look at that shower. Come on, little Liberty. A patio or no? I don't think I do. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that camera. They got everything. Where is the tequila? That's my question. This place is nice. It is really nice. Okay, you know.
That's your friend. That's your mom? That's my
No, I probably won't be getting in the water. Oh, there's so many places to take pictures. Y'all, why they got robes up in here? They got robes and slippers. Look at the slippers. Do you see? Look at these. You know you want me. Look at this chocolate. Look at this chocolate. I'm just playing, y'all. But no, for real. It's my first time putting on a little hotel robe. This Zaza hotel is lit. What is it? Downtown? What is the capital? Is it capital? This is the capital. I think this is the capital. I can't tell. What's the capital of Texas?
That's it. Uh-oh. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You. I put my money up. Let's go. Now I can't reach up. Ran up in his spot. Just to get my stacks up. Now I'm back on deck. So shout it, what's the fuck? Hey, I heard he talking shit. But this ain't
What's up? Hey! Big ass transformer.
Let's go.